Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the MAMBA on Base token. Ticker symbol is MAMBA. Obviously you can tell by the name that this is a meme coin on the Base chain, Coinbase's blockchain. And this token, it was just announced, is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow, June 2nd, on a very big central exchange. And we're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So MAMBA is a blue snake meme coin character that is onboarding the next million users to Base through the power of storytelling, community building, partnerships, and gaming. And it was just announced that this token will be listed tomorrow, June 2nd at 9 a.m. UTC time on a very big central exchange called MEXC Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an MEXC Global account, I do have an MEXC Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that MEXC Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search MAMBA, and then simply just buy the token. Now you can follow their Telegram at MAMBA on Base. They have 6,876 subscribers on there. You can preview the channel before joining. It says MAMBA on Base verification channel. That's a great place to see updates regarding the project if you want to learn more. Now they have a decent amount of holders already. If you check them out on Base Scan, you'll see they have 9,129 holders, 18 decimal places on this token. And there is a max total supply of 2,488,888,000 tokens. Now, prior to the listing on MEXC Global, they do have a Kickstarter event where you could vote with MX tokens today, and you could potentially win airdrops, and they have a reward pool of 50,000 USDT, so you could check that out on MEXC Global as well. They do a lot of those Kickstarter events for new listings the day prior to the token's listing. So they do have a webpage, mambaonbase.com. And over there you can find their socials like their Twitter, their Telegram. And you can also find a full document section, 11-page white paper. It'll take you over to mambaonbase.com/docs/mamba.pdf. So MAMBA is on a mission to build a rocket to go to the moon. The MAMBA mission is to get suited, get an action plan, pitch to whales, secure support, and then build a rocket, and then moon. So that's their meme roadmap, I guess. A story from rags to riches. Why MAMBA? Well, they have a community, partnerships, finance, and gaming. MAMBA aims to onboard 1 million users to the Base chain through the power of community building. So they're going to have faster transactions, lower transaction fees, and scalability and users. Now the token allocation pie chart here, it says how the token is split up. 70% of the tokens will go to the liquidity pool. 10% will go to central exchange listings like MEXC Global. 10% is going to go to the treasury, and 10% to marketing. So it looks like they had a pre-sale prior to this. Maybe that's where a lot of their tokens, or their holders, I should say, came from. So they had a pre-sale here. It looked like minimum buy was 0.05 ETH and max was 8 ETH. And it says integrated with a game. And on their white paper, it doesn't look like they really talk about the game that much. It says it's the first game on Base. I don't know if that's true or not. They have animations, social media, moderators, developers, liquidity pool, DEX tools listing, coin market cap listing, Twitter KOLs, Telegram shills, and central exchange listings. So yeah, there's going to be a play to earn game, it says here. 50 plus KOLs onboarding, top 3 MEMECOIN shill communities, 10 plus exchange listings secured, including ex Binance advisors, partnerships in the works. The job is not done until MAMBA is the #1 meme coin on Base. The king of Base has arrived. So yeah, I'm not sure where they had a pre-sale, maybe pink sale or something like that. On their webpage, they do have the contract address. So they have a button to bridge to Base. So if you want to get this token prior to the MEXC listing, you most likely can get this token off Uniswap by funding your Coinbase wallet or your Trust wallet or MetaMask wallet with ETH, bridging it to Base, going into the dApps, finding Uniswap, and then trading your Base for the MAMBA token using that contract address. Now, they do have a DEX tools chart button on their page, so you'll be able to see how the token is doing on DEX tools. It says they have a merch shop, so you can check out a merch shop. Looks like they also have an Instagram. It's a meme coin on a mission, it says. Live now. They have a little YouTube video you can watch on their webpage. And if you want to stay up to date too, they do have a Twitter. I'm going to put it on the screen right here. You can see the contract address is right there. They have a link to their webpage right there. At Mamba on Base on Twitter, they have a gold verified check mark. 322 posts, so very active on the socials here. 14,600 Twitter followers, and in their pinned tweet it says, "We have successfully landed on the moon. MAMBA is officially live," has the contract address, and then basically like a full link tree of their socials and webpage in their pinned tweet there too. So check that out. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.